Praharshan, Midela, yes. Hemant. Javian is there. Chanchal and others.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
All right, I'll start the class then. 1 minute. So just once we view for the what we did in the last class, okay. So if you just if you want to see the at most and at things part, okay. See, this is a question where you can see at least and at most, okay. Those who are not able to understand, try to understand over here. This is at least. This question is at least and at most. At least means minimum, children, minimum. That is your at least two head. You should go. List means what? Minimum that much should be there or more than that. Okay, children. That much is there or more than that. You can't reduce that thing. Okay. So at least two head means two head or more than. Chanchal, you were there in the last class, right? Who was not there in the last class, children? Who is not there? Praharshan, you are not there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, at least two head means minimum two head will be there and or more than that, not less than that. Okay. At most one head means maximum one head or less than that. Okay. You can't make it more. At most one head. It means one head or less than that. That is one head or zero head. So next one is exactly at most. So this clear now, Drishi? It's to you. It's clear to you now, Drishi.
Yes, sir. And I had one more doubt. In the first exercise in the chapter, there's a question about like there's a rectangle and then it's like find the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1.
Yeah. So this is
So, I
circle.
don't know from that.
See, circle part is your favorable, right, Drishi? And your this rectangle part is complete. So favorable part is your circle one. Area means inside the circle is area, right? And here is total area is your total outcome. So if you find area of the square, sorry, area of the circle, divide by area of the complete square, that is your answer.
So,
Because
but then if they ask instead of the circle, if they ask about the rectangle, then we should subtract the area of the circle from the area of rectangle, right?
you are saying like this, 1 minute. You are saying like if they ask what is the probability of getting its fall inside the rectangle, you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
The circle is of no use then. See, favorable part is rectangle only and total outcome is also rectangle. So your answer is one only, right? Everything what you throw inside this one, so where it falls inside the rectangle only. If it coming here also,
But then even the circle is in the rectangle, right?
yes, that's what I'm saying. Circle is a rectangle, but wait, I'll just come to your question. I understood your question, what you are saying. That question is there with me somewhere. I'll discuss. You just tell me the question, what exactly the question is. I'll just discuss here only. Tell me the question, what they're asking over here. Then we are just crystal clear if you.
So it's written, suppose you drop a die at random on a rectangular region. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? And then the length of the rectangle is 3 meter and the breadth is 2.
Okay, probability that lies inside circle of dia 1, right? Dia 1 or 2?
So it's 1.
Oh, so dia 1 meter. Okay, so this is you can write here probability is equals to probability of the event. See, children, what they're asking the question is this is already there in NCERT. If you're going to throw anything inside this figure, that one, suppose you're throwing arrow, okay, what they're throwing, Trishi, in that question actually?
Sir, it's a dice.
Drishi, you not on the camera means I'm not going to teach you. Immediately you just off. What do you want teacher to again repeat the same thing? Tell me, Drishi. If you tell I'll not on the camera, I'll just
Sir,
leave.
it's on now. Sir, it's on now.
It's on now. Where it's on now? Yeah, now it's on. You tell you're not able to on the camera. I'll not ask also. You tell completely. Properly, just tell off. Next time I should not tell. If you're having off your camera, just message in the group and just leave off. Every time I should repeat the same thing, you know. Okay, you are just throwing the die inside this figure, okay? So that die will lie inside the circle. What is the probability that die will lie inside the circle? The children, probability of the event is favorable outcome by total outcome. So favorable outcome is nothing but area of circle divided by area of what, children? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is nothing but complete outcome. This complete figure is area of rectangle. As your circle is lies inside that circle and rectangle, both you can say area of rectangle is nothing but complete area. This formula is clear,
No,
Drishi?
but then even the circle is there, right? So if the dice falls on the circle, then how is it considered to be in the rectangle?
See, down part, denominator part is what? Denominator part is the total outcome. Correct? Is it clear what I'm saying? Area of rectangle and means is coming under what? Circle is coming is if you take this much also, anything you figure you draw here inside the rectangle. If you take rectangle area, this complete rectangle area, everything is coming inside that. So that is the only total outcome. You're getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, sir.
And our favorable outcome is only circle. It means area of circle we are considering divided by total rectangle area. So area of circle is pi r square divided by area of rectangle, that is 3 into 2. Length into breadth I'm writing over here. Length into breadth. So pi you can write pi as it is, you write. Radius is 1/2 into 1/2. Again, if you want to multiply, here you should write 1 divided by, multiply means divide by LB means 1 by LB will come. Multiply you write means 1 by length into breadth will come. It means that length is what? What is length for 3 into 2? 3 into 2. So what will come? 22 into 1 divided by 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 2's 2, 11 will come. So 11 by what is coming? 3 2's are 6. I'm doing mistake. 22 by 7 I should write, no? So 11 by 7 to the 14, 28. Anything else will come? No. Answer is given pi or which form?
So the answer is given as pi by 24.
Yeah, the answer is pi by 24 only then. If answer is given in pi form, you can write here pi by 24 only. It's clear. That's it. And if pi value you want to put, you put it.
Sir, what if instead of circle they ask about rectangle? Then should we consider the circle area also?
Yeah. No, if they ask what is the probability that your die fall inside the circle? It falls inside the circle or inside the triangle. Sorry, here if it falls here or here it falls. It means it falls inside the rectangle only now. Wherever you are going to fill, that is
How, sir, it's inside the circle.
See, inside the circle is here. So this die is inside the circle also and inside the rectangle also, because the circle is a part of what? Rectangle, right? Still not clear.
And yeah, sir, I got that. And what if they ask that find the probability that it will fall inside the rectangle and in the circle? Then also the same thing.
Means that is awkward question. Inside the circle, rectangle is enough. If they ask both also, you should write one only. Because what we are going to throw, that will be always inside the rectangle only That answer is 1 in that case.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If they ask inside the rectangle except circle, if they ask, then the question will get changed. Your answer is what? Probability of getting fall inside the rectangle but not in circle. Then what you need to do, you know that, children? All of you tell me. If they ask the die should fall inside the rectangle but not in circle, then what is you should write? What is the probability in that case? Probability in that case would be area of rectangle minus area of circle. You should do in that case. Okay. Divide by area of rectangle. Is it clear to everyone, children? Favorable condition is total rectangle part, and what they're asking, probability is inside the rectangle but not circle. It means area of rectangle minus area of circle. In this way, you have to find the answer. Everyone is getting, children? Everyone is getting or not?
No, sir.
Sir, can you explain it once more, sir?
Hemant, you are not getting anything, right?
No, sir. You have to explain this once again.
This is the question which is given in the NCERT. I think in the second last or third last question is this, right, Drishi? So this question is around,
It's in the first exercise only.
only one exercise is there on the probability, no.
There are two, but the second one is optional.
Acha, that's only. Means you should do only one, no? The first exercise you are having, I think second last or third last question is this, right?
That's the 20th question, sir.
20th, no? Yes. This is a 20th question. Here the question is, what is your name? Hemant, right? Hemant, can you hear me? Okay, leave. When we do the NCERT sums, then we do that, okay? We'll do from basic concept first. High five sums will start off, okay? 1 minute. 10th ICSC, I'll just take the questions. Why it's not coming? Hey. Again, it is coming CBSE only. Why is it so? Say this question, children. All of you answer by yourself. Find the coin is tossed once. Find the probability of getting tail and not getting a tail. Find the probability of getting a tail, not getting a tail.
Sir, the answer is just written in front of us.
Yeah, I'm just deleting that one. Now you can't see. Tell.
Sir, but we saw the answer already.
Saw the answer, remembered?
Sir, it's one. I don't remember for this question.
Yeah. See here, a coin is tossed once. The total probability is 2, right? TO is total outcome, children. TO is total outcome. So here total outcome is tail or head. So total probability is 2. Getting a tail means favorable outcome is 1. So probability of the event is what? Favorable outcome by total outcome. So answer is 1 by 2. Not getting a tail means E bar. Event is not getting. E bar, we can write it as 1 minus PE. This might you have not read. I told you, but you remember or not, I don't know. See, two things are there, tail and head in a coin, okay? So coming a coin is 1 by 2. So not coming a coin is what? 1 minus 1 by 2. So here you can do in this way also, 1 minus 1 by 2. That is what? 1 by 2 only. Or other way means, other way is probability of not getting a tail. Not getting a tail, you can write here favorable outcome by total outcome. Not getting a tail means it should come head. The head is only 1 divided by 2. Praharshan, it's clear to you? Praharshan, you were absent on the last time. It's clear to you?
Yes.
You have read in class 9th also. Basic concept you might be having with you, I think. So
Sir,
next.
it's just the and multiple dice with 3 dice or 3.
Okay, next question, children. Next question you do. I just removed over everything right here. Next question, all of you find here. All of you write in the chat box and just match the answers. First question is a black ball. There are 3 white balls, 5 black balls, and 2 red balls of the same shape and size. A ball is drawn from the back without looking into it. Find the probability that ball is drawn is a black ball. This is very easy question. Black ball means favorable condition is nothing but black part. You should think that is 5 black. Favorable outcome is 5. So you can write here 5 divided by 10. That is what? 1 by 2. Total outcome is the number of all the balls. A red ball. Red ball is 2. So favorable outcome is 2 by 10. That is 1 by 5. A white ball. High white ball, your favorable outcome is what? 3. So probability of white ball is favorable outcome by total outcome. That is nothing but 3 by 10. Not a red ball. Not a red ball. It means maybe white or black ball, right? So favorable outcome is what? 3 plus 5, that is 8. Correct? So probability of the not the red ball is equals to favorable outcome by total outcome. So answer is 8 by 10. So answer is 4 by 5. Anyone having doubt in all these 4 questions?
No, sir.
Not a black ball, you can understand, right? Hemant, now it's clear. No, it's getting Hemant.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Not a black ball. Not a black ball. How you should do it to children? Not a black ball. Not
by adding the white ball and the red ball.
Yeah. So what is white ball? Means probability of not a means favorable outcome is what? Not a black ball. Means black ball are 5, right? So your favorable outcome is also 5 because white ball is 3 and red ball is 2. So
Yes,
not a
sir.
black ball is favorable outcome by total outcome. So our answer is 1 by 2. 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2. Hope it's clear to everyone. Next question. All of you do the next question. I'm erasing fast. All of you tell me the first answer. First 2 answers, would all of you write in the chat box, children. First 2 answers, all of you write. In a single throw of die. These all are very small questions. You should write in 5 seconds, children. Hemant, direct means 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Okay. What is the answer, children? Fast. Hemant, tell me the answer.
Sir, I send it in the chat?
Okay. So you have sent me as 1 by 2. You have sent answer for first one, Hemant? 1 by 3, 2 by
Yes,
3.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I've sent the second one. That
So greater
right.
than 4 is 5 and 6. So your answer is 2 by 6. Answer is 1 by 3. Children, first is 1 by 3. All of you got the answer. Second answer is less than or equal to 4. It means maybe 1, 2, 3 or 4. So our favorable outcome is 4. 4 by 6. 2 by 3 is the answer. Second one, 2 by 4 is the answer, children. All of you got 2 by 3. Just check it out. Yes. Now question number 3rd. Not greater than 4. Not greater than 4. What is the answer for this? Not greater than 4. Answer is 2 by 3, Hemant told 2 by 3. Anyone else? Anyone told?
So when you say not greater than 4, the 4 is also considered, right?
Praharshan, what you're saying?
Sir, when we say not greater than 4, the 4 is
Not
also considered.
obviously, yeah. Not greater than 4. It should not be greater than 4, but 4 can be considered. Yes. It should not be greater than 4. It's not saying 4 about 4. The one 4 also should be considered. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So your not 4 is nothing but 4 by 6. That is 2 by 3. Okay, children. So now question number 4. Don't see the answers. All of you just write the answers. There are how many questions are there? 3 questions. All of you just tell me the answer, children, for this. See the question and write here first, second, third. In that way, right? Then I can understand which answer you are talking about. First, second, third, and don't write one answer. Write all the answer at a time. Okay, children. Write all the answers at a time, and let me check. Hemant, Adarsh, everyone. Children, do all the 3 questions at a time. First, comma, like that you do. One by two, one by two, one by two. Yes. All of you are getting, children? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. All of you are getting, children?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who is having doubt in 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2? Here even number is what? 2, 4, 6. So answer, favorite outcome is 3. So 3 by 6. Answer is 1 by 2. Not an even number means odd numbers. That is what? 1, 3, 5. That is 3 only. So 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Odd number is 1, 3, 5. So answer is 3. So 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Hope everyone got the answer. Children?
Yes.
Now question number 5th. This is a card part. Card 1, children. This is a card 1. I'm just removing fast here. Don't see the answers. Tell me the answer, children, for this card part. There are high. So first 3 questions are there. Then still more questions are there down. There are 5 questions in this. Okay. So I erased all the 5 questions. See the question first. Question what they're asking here is, from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Okay. From the well shuffled deck of 52 cards, one card is drawn is random. One card is drawn randomly. Find the probability that the card drawn will be black card. Okay. All of you write all the 5 answers in a chat box. 1, this 2, 1 by 2. Second, this by this by this by this. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 12 by 52. 6 by 52. Okay. 12 by 52 means 6 by 26. All right. Okay, next. Black card, not be a red card. Be a red card. Be a red card. Be a face card. Be a face card of red color. face card of red color? Drishi, your answer is oh, super. But remember one thing, children, you have to write it minimize way. Okay, this part is clear. Drishi, all answers are correct. But one thing is you should cancel. You should write it minimum. Okay. Only Drishi has answered all the 5 answers. Anyone else, children? Do fast. Javian has done 3 by 13. Okay, and 4 by 26. Again, you can do Javian 2 by 13. Okay.
Okay, sir.
2 by 13 you can do. 3 by 13 you can do. 3 by 13. Anyone's children, Javian also correct? Anyone else who is not getting at all? That you tell me, Adarsh, why you are so slow today? Last time you did first.
I have posted you the answer, sir. Already.
You posted already. Okay. I didn't check only. Praharshan sent me right now. Javian sent the before the others. Okay. Others. It's clear only. But try to cancel. Okay, fine. Children, I don't think anyone having doubt in this, right?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Which question, Hemant? Which question you having doubt?
Sir, not like question. It says face cards, right? What are face cards?
Last class you are available or not? You are not there in the last
No,
class?
sir, I wasn't there.
See here, the small brief introduction is there for you in front of you. If you can understand about cards, you can understand everything. See here, 52 cards will be there totally, including red and black. Out of 52 cards, 26 is red card and 26 is black card. Okay. Which part you are not able to understand? Tell me, Hemant. Okay. Again, in black card, there is 2 types, club and spade, which are 13 and 13. Again, in red card, heart and diamond will be there. That's 13, 13. Again, these 13 cards are nothing but ace. One will not be available. One is not there in the whole pack of card. Instead of one, ace will be there. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all are normal numbers. And after 11, 12, 13, this is jack, queen, and king. Okay, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
So these 3 cards are known as face cards, in which all these 3 cards are available in all the 4 sections. It means that,
Get it, sir.
yeah. So 13, 3 cards are face cards, means 4 sections, means 4 into 3, 12. Praharshan's clear, no? Or not? Praharshan, last time you were not there, it's clear or not?
Sir, it's clear.
All right. So just writing over here, black card is 26, 26 by 52. Red card is 1 by 2 only. Red card is 26, 1 by 2. BF face card is 12, 12 by 52. So answer is 3 by 13. BF face card of red color, that is 6. So 6 by 52. So answer is 3 by 13. Okay, next question is based on complementary. This is a small question, children. Only try to understand this question. See, if A and B are 2 complementary events. See, complementary events, what is complementary is that I'll make you try to understand. Suppose this is 2 things are there, head and tail. Okay. Complementary means suppose coming head is 1 by 2, the tail you are finding is 1 minus 1 by 2. This is like complementary event. Okay, children. Suppose other example I'm giving to you. Here complementary is not 90 degree. If you subtract 1 minus other one, then you'll get that is complementary. Suppose you are having 4 black balls and 3 red balls. Okay. So probability of black is 4 by 7, right? So what is the probability of getting red? 1 minus 4 by 7. That is 3 by 7. This kind of examples are known as what? Complementary examples. Is it clear, children, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So if A and B are 2 complementary events, then what is the relation between PA and PB? So PA and PB is 1. Okay. If you add both, you'll get what? 1. Is it clear, children, or not? Like complementary angles are angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to what? 180 degree. Sorry, complementary means 90 degree. In the same way, here if you add both the things, you will get what? 1. Is it clear, children? See, I've given one example for your coin part. Probability of head is 1/2. Probability of tail is 1/2. So probability of head plus probability of tail is 1. So we can write in this pattern over here. Once you see, you are understanding it or not. These 5 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This you are getting it or not? Just check once, children. And if you know this concept, you can do the second question. If the probability of happening an event is 0.46, happening. So not happening is what? 1 minus other one. So who is getting doubt in this section, children? Let me know. This is very easy. Is it clear? Shall I move to the 7th question? Anyone want to ask question based on 7th?
Once again, explain it. First.
See what I'm saying, Adarsh. Suppose I given one.
What is question 6? First one you explain.
Yeah, first one I am explaining you. Here question is you have to understand only complementary events. What are complementary events? 2 complementary events means sum of 2 probability is what? 1. And that is possible only if there are only 2 events, either see black and red or head and tail. If you add both the probability, no, you'll get 1 only answer. Understood, Adarsh? Suppose here I found 4/7, here 3/7. If you add, you'll get 1. Suppose head, tail, we are same thing. But if there are 3 events, no, in that case, you won't get for 2. All 3 you add, then you'll get 1. Okay. Suppose you are having 3 red, 2 black, 1 blue, like that. So if you add all the 3 probability, then you'll get 1. Now it's clear, Adarsh? Still anyone having doubt here? Chanchal? Chanchal, everything is clear? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So next question number 8. Try to see the only question. Don't see the answers over here. All of you write in the chat box. Geeta and Ritu are there in a TT match. TT match. Geeta and Ritu. The probability of winning of Ritu is 0.73. Okay, first answer is okay. Wow. Super fast. Winning of Geeta. Winning of Ritu is 0.73. The winning of Geeta is what? 2.7, 0.27. 0.27 will come,
Sir,
right?
are we doing the 7th one or the 8th one?
7th one. Acha, 8th one you did off. Okay, fine. The 8th one, what you got the first answer then? What they're asking question only. 8th one, where is the question?
Sir, it's there only. Niche.
Find the probability of what? Where is Nietzsche is there? Nietzsche I can't see.
Oh, I thought it's we have to find the probability of. I mixed the questions.
Okay.
So for the 7th one, so both the answers will be same, right, sir?
Yeah, not winning of Ritu is yes. Winning of Geeta is nothing but not winning of Ritu. Yes, it's correct. Both answers are same, children. Winning of Geeta is nothing but 1 minus Ritu part 0.73. So answer is 0.27. And not winning of Ritu. The winning of Ritu is 0. Same thing only. Okay, both answers are same. They have asked in different way. Now question number 8th, children. Question number 8th. No need to ask only, right? Question number 9. See, this only I just tell you. Sure event means 100%. Okay, 100%. What is the possibility that students are there in class 10th only? It's 100%. No one is there for class 9th. What is the probability of getting a student that 9th class in this batch? 0. That is impossible event. Okay, two things are there, children. Sure event probability is always 1 and impossible probability is always 0. Is it clear? And value of probability lies between 0 and 1, where 0 and 1 are including of it. Praharsan Midela and then Samarth Mishraji. Mishraji, Ram Ram.
सर
What
मेरा आंसर आपको अभी मिला है।
हाँ, where are you, man?
सर मैं
Mishra
कब
ji,
का भेज सर।
on the camera. That I know you answered you before long back.
Yes.
But you off the camera. That's why I told.
No sir, that's I have little network problem.
I thought you were still traveling. That's why. Okay, fine. Question number 10. Question number 10, children. There are 4 questions in this. In a single throw of die, one are getting 5. 5 is 1 only, right? These all are means useless questions, no? Number 6, 0, 1, 1 by 2. 1 by 6, 0, 1, 1 by 2. Is it the answer? What you have mentioned, children, here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 5, 1 is favorite order of this. So probability of the event is nothing but 1 by 5 is 1 by 6. 8 is what? 0. No chance of negative. Number less than 8. All are less than 8 only, right? So this is outcome is favorite outcome is 6.
1.
So probability of the event is 6 by 6. That is 1.
1.
Yeah, prime number is 135 or 232, 236, 235. So here 3, so 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Okay, question number 11. The die is thrown once. These all easy questions are going on.
So you heard this, the concepts of probability in the last class.
Yeah, complete concept.
So I was not in the last class,
Mm-hmm.
but I know it.
Yeah. So these questions, I'll ask this question. Question number 12, which is, see children. Which of the following cannot be probability? Which of the thing cannot be? First question is 3 by 5. Second is 2.7. Which cannot be probability? See, you just write in the chat box 1, 3, 5 like that. Which is cannot be probability. Cannot you should write. Don't write which can be probability. Write in the chat box which cannot be probability. Like here 2.7 cannot be probability. One example. This is no possibility, not possibility of this 2.7. See, probability value lies between 0 and 1. So which is between 0 and 1, you can check it out. So answer should be 2nd, 4th, 5th. 2nd, 4th, 5th. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The 2nd, 4th, 5th is the correct answer, children. 2nd, 4th, and 5th. All this is possibility is correct. So anyone having doubt in this, children? Next part of it is ये डब्बा question है. Question number 13 is डब्बा. Leave. This is kind, okay, different kind only. A single letter is selected at random from the word probability. Find the probability that is a vowel. So vowel means you should count that. What is the favorable outcome over here? You can just see. Vowel is what? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2. It's 4, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this question is 3 questions are there, children. This is interesting question. Yeah, tell me the answer in separately. You can tell the answer, children, all of you. Ramesh chooses a date at random in January for a party. Hey, Javian, how you got 8 by 13 last one? You just explain. How 8 by 13?
So
8
by
by,
adding 4 plus 4, we got 8, sir.
how 4? Javian, how you got 4? Tell me. How you got 4, Javian? 4 plus
So
4.
so in Saturday, sir, there's a 4.
Okay.
And then, sir, there is
Hmm?
on sir Tuesday, if we divide by 2, sir, you'll get a 4 again over there on Tuesday. So we can add 4 plus 4 to get 8.
What, where I should divide by 2? I'm not getting you. What you are saying? Tell which one I should divide by 2? Which one I should divide by 2, Javian? Tell, explain fast. Hemant got 5 by 31, 5 by 31, 9 by 31. Okay. Tell Javian what you are saying. I'm not getting. Divide by 2. What you should do? Where we are dividing by 2? So most of children got the correct answer only. Tell Javian. See, children, what to do here is Wednesday should see how many is total number of days. That outcome is 31. This everyone knows, right? What Javian tried to say, that is correct only, but why he's telling by 2 and all that I didn't understand. That's why asking him. So here nothing. If or children is coming into picture, or okay. If or is coming means or is addition. Okay, remember that. Or is what? Addition. But that day should not repeat under that, right? Suppose he ask you. Suppose he ask you ace or black card. Okay, if I ask in this way, okay. So in this case, directly don't blindly add here +1. Okay, because here see, ace card, if I'm writing here, ace will be 4, right? So already 2 black card are coming into this. So how many total black card will be 26, but don't write 26. You should write 24. Is it clear, children?
Yes.
When we should not use addition all the time, that is, and I'm telling you, it should not repeat. Suppose ace is coming 2 red and 2 black in this, 2 red and 2 black. So 2 black card is coming already. This card is coming including in this. That's why we are not writing 2. We are subtracting 2 from here. So you should not write 26, you should write 24 in this case. So the answer is 28 by 52. So this is the case where children will do mistake. That's why you don't write 4 plus 26, that is 30 by 52. This is the wrong answer. Okay. But in this case, you can add blindly. In this case, you can add blindly because all the days are different. So Wednesday, there are 4 days, 5 days. So probability of the event is 5 by 13. Sorry, 5 by 31. Friday is again 5 days. So probability of the event is 5 by 31. Here last one is total is 4 plus 4, that is 8. So 8 by 31. Is it clear, children? You are doing well. All of you are almost giving correct answers. Hemant, last question. How you wrote 9 by 31 by? How you written 9 by 31, Hemant? Where you got confused?
Sir, I read
Friday one you read.
Tuesdays.
Yeah, Wednesday you
Yes,
read,
sir.
right? All right, fine. Okay, first exercise of this part is get clear. Now second exercise we are
Sir,
moving.
I
Yeah.
would suggest Ramesh to choose Wednesday, sir.
Wednesday.
Sir, on 29th, my birthday is there, 29th January. So you must party then.
Acha. So you're having January 30, you are having birthday.
No, sir, January 29th.
January
Wednesday.
20. Acha. January 29th you are having. If you born before 23, no, then you are most luckiest person. These people are most luckiest. This type of people.
Okay.
These are coming after January, but these people are there, no, 1 to 23rd, not 22, 23rd. Till 20, these are more, this is more, this thing, 99% will be what? Most successful people, these people are. If they are,
Fourth,
huh?
sir.
Your is 4th January.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How much you know or not, but your future will be so awesome. How much you read, that thing will take off you some level. Like that, I have seen people. So January people are so lucky. So this question is clear. Now this part is clear. So we have to 25B we should choose now. 25B is kind of bit interesting and based on die and everything is there. Okay. So much complication is there in this. So all of you should draw the die and all. So first number I will not going to see only. Okay. First, if you want to do, you can do.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, tell probability.
Yes, sir, probability.
Yeah, tell.
Okay, sir. So a guy has 3 coins. He tosses 3 of them at the same time.
Okay.
What will be the number of outcomes? What can be?
See, yesterday, those children, you have to answer this Samarth. Okay, all of you children, who can answer Samarth? Samarth is asking 3 coins are there and we are tossing simultaneously all the 3 coins. So what is the total number of outcome? Others only will tell. Others you tell, child.
Sir, 36, no?
A coin I'm asking, man. How you don't apply the brain of dice and all. Coin. 3 coins are tossing simultaneously. What is the probability of getting outcome? Chanchal, do you know that?
8, sir.
8. What is the this one concept also I told you on that day, Hemant?
I wasn't there that day, sir.
Achha, that day you were not there. Children who are there on last Saturday part, can you tell me? Javian, Praharshan was not there. Javian, Drishi, then Chanchal, you were there on Saturday. So tell what was the concept I told you? Chanchal, what was the concept I told you for 3 coins? Others, how you can forget like this? How you can forget? Number of outcome. See, number of outcome on the coin to the power number of coins, right? Number of coins. What we have did? Here total number of outcome, that is 2 to the power what? Number of coins. So 2 to the power 3, that is 8. You want to ask Samarth what all 8 are there, right? Which all 8 will come exactly, correct?
Sir, that one I was just asking for this formula. That 2 to the power the number of.
You are testing or you don't know?
No, sir, I don't know it. I was solving the 11th class question, sir.
Achha, okay.
There I got confused about it. There, someone told me this formula is there.
Okay, this see outcome to the power number of things. Suppose you are having 3 dice, you might not be knowing. The 3 dice means 6 to the power 3 you should do. So your answer is 216. This is not in class 11th also.
Okay, sir. So it's applicable in everything.
Yeah.
We just have to get the number of outcomes and number of outcomes.
Yeah. Number of outcome is down and power will be your number of dices. So how to write that also I'll tell you. Suppose 3 coin you're having on total 8 is there, right? Total outcome is 8. You can write 8 immediately, 8 outcomes. Samarth. That also trick is there. I told you everyone here. What was the trick, you know, Samarth?
No, sir, trick I don't know, but I know other thing.
Okay, see what 8 outcomes are there means what we do, no? We write 4 times H and 4 times T we write first, okay? Then we write 2 times H, 2 times T. 2 times h, 2 times t. After that, we're writing 1 times h, 1 time t, 1 time h, 1 time t, 1 time h, 1 time t. So these are the outcomes. In that way, easy way method we have learned. So tree method is also there, but apart from tree method, this is easier than that. Also, tree method should be big diagram and all. So I prefer this only.
All right.
So see, children, next card is this is the easy question. I'll just do some dice question. We'll do for 2 dice. That only one question we do today, and then we can do other questions. One die question we'll do. All of you do this question, children. If you do this question, no, then only 2 questions you do. All of you do this 2 questions. All of you write in the chat box, children. All of you write in the chat box. You take your time. This one. Don't do in hurry burry. Do only once, but do it correctly. And if you're not understanding the question only, you just tell me. Eleven by 36, 1 by 2. Okay. Any more answers, children? Hemant has given the answer. You have to think so much, children, in this. Remember, 7 by 36, 1 by 2. Okay. Anyone else? All of you can hear me properly, right? Javian, can you hear me? Javian. Javian.
So can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yes, sir. So actually something went wrong with my mic. I was not able to hear you and like the full screen went blank.
Acha.
Sir, check my answer.
Okay. Others. 13 by 18. Okay. 13 by 18 is your, okay, and 1 by 2. Okay, all right. 13 by 18 and 1 by 2. Others. Fine. What about Praharshan, Javian? What about Praharshan, Javian, Chanchal? So, okay, children, just try. Okay, see how to think in this question. Okay. Total at least 10 means, see, some at least 10 they are asking, right? Minimum 10 should be there. It means that the sum should be, see what they're asking here. The probability of getting the total means sum of both the dices should be 10, right? It means that it may be 10 also, 11 also, 12 also, because maximum 12 only you can get. You can't go more than beyond that. So where you're getting the answers 10, 11, 12, see, I'm just rounding it off. 12, 11, 10. This line is clear. Then here, next is 11, 10. Here is 5, 4, 6. This is your 10. So we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only we're getting, no, children? Favorable outcome is 6, right? How you're getting 11, 7, and 13? Tell me, children, how you're getting 11, 7, and 13? Tell me. Here answer is 6 by 36. So answer is 1 by 6. So where you are lagging behind, I don't know, children. Just think about
Sir,
this.
at least 10 is written there, right?
What, Samarth?
Sir, a total of at least 10.
At least 10 means minimum 10 or more than that, right?
Okay, sir. So 6, 4 must be there.
Yeah, 4, 6, 6, 4.
Uh,
So apart from this, what I rounded, if you just find anyone which is not coming into this picture, see, you should see 10, 11, and 12. At least means you should go up. Okay, children. So all the answer, first answer is wrong. I don't know about second answer. First answer is wrong for everyone. Samarth, 7 you just did. How you got 7?
Sir, I got a second one, sir. I was searching for it. And just a minute, sir. I will tell you.
Is it clear now, children, everyone? Wow, 6, 1 by 6 is coming over here. Is it clear to everyone? Hemant? Hemant, where you did mistake? What you thought?
Sir, in counting mistakes, sir.
All right, fine. Others? 26 by you did that one. 26 at least. What do you understand? At least means 10, 11, or 12. So this is, they're talking about sum. Sum of both the dice should be at least 10 or more than that, right? Now question number second, you see a multiple of 2 on one dice. This is very important, and I actually did mistake in this question while doing. Okay. I personally did mistake while doing this question while teaching to the students. Okay. Because understanding the question will take only 1-2 minutes time, and here a bit difficult if you see this question. So if you write here immediately means obviously it will be wrong.
I have taken 5, 5 2 times, sir. That's the problem.
5, 5 you have taken.
But that 5, 5 is there.
Okay,
on
okay.
the-
Achha,
Yeah,
achha.
I have taken it 2 times. Everything is 2 times, so I took it 2 times.
Okay, fine, fine. So here see children, multiple of 2 on one dice and odd number on the other die. Multiple of 2 on one dice. 2 on the one dice, where it is coming, multiple of 2, just see here. One dice means either in first one or second one. I got confused before. Only one dice I saying means first die I was saying. Is given multiple of 2 on one die. Either maybe first one or second one, no wish, no problem. So this will come, this will come. What I'm taking, that you just see children. What I'm just rounding here. Your blue part you see, no, that you see. Blue part you can see wherever you can see blue part. That is your die only. And again I'm just blue part again I'm doing here. Multiple of 2 is this also. Multiple of 2 is here also. Multiple of 2 is here also. Multiple of 2 is here also. Which is multiple of 2? I'm just writing over here. I'm just putting over here. Okay. Multiple of 2, multiple of 2, multiple of 2, multiple of 2. But both and is there means common in both. This what I've rounded here in blue color. That what I've rounded in blue color is nothing but multiple of 2. Okay, children. That is multiple of 2. Now here odd number on the other die. Odd number on the other die. Now see. This is multiple of 2 and odd number on the other die. I'm just once again I'm doing for you. So this both will all come or not, but I'm putting green over here. This will come, this will come, this will come. The 2, 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6 will not come, children, because one is even, that is we know multiple of 2, but other one is what? Also even, that is not odd. It's clear? Think over it. Children, think. Think over it. Think over it.
Sir, please repeat, sir.
Okay, I'm repeating once. Wait for 1 minute. See what I'm saying, that ki either of the first die or second die, on one die it will be multiple of 2. What I have colored before in blue color, that was multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 means on one die it was multiple of 2. Okay. So right now what you can see, your green color and blue color, all the things is a multiple of 2. Are you agree or not? This much is clear or not? Everyone? Others, Hemant, is clear to everyone, children? Now, second part is an odd number on the other die. Odd number means if first is a multiple of 2 means one is even and one is odd. Is it clear? It may be differ. So if you let's see green one, children, now. Only green one if you see, that is one you will find odd and one you will find multiple of 2. Is it so or not? Just check. Is it clear, children, to all of you?
Yes, sir, it is.
So what is coming? 18 only coming, right?
Yes, sir. 18 on.
18 only, right? So multiple of 2 and nothing is differ. No, 1 minute. Multiple of 2 and odd number on the other die. Yeah, fine. So your answer is 18 only, children. That's correct. What you did all are correct only. 18 is the answer, 18 by 36. But how, which concept we applied, I don't know. But this is the concept, actually, as the concept, what we have to do. So that's for today. Okay. So tomorrow, if you are having doubt, any doubts you are getting, children, you can ask the
No.
doubts. And if you're not having doubt, you can leave for the day for today.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, sir.